balance the chemical equation. CH3COONa+H2O is gives us CH3CH3+CO2+NaOH+H2. So in this equation, the left hand side, the number of carbon atoms 1 plus 1 that equals to 2. The number of hydrogen atoms 3 plus 2 that equals to 5. The number of oxygen atoms 1 plus 1 plus 1 that equals to 3. The number of sodium atoms equals to 1. So in the right hand side, the number of carbon atoms 1 plus 1 plus 1 that equals to 3. The number of hydrogen atoms 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 that equals to 9. The number of oxygen atoms 2 plus 1 that equals to 3. The number of sodium atoms equals to 1. So the left hand side, the number of carbon atoms is 2, the number of hydrogen atoms is 5, the number of oxygen atoms is 3, the number of sodium atoms is 1. And the right hand side, the number of carbon atoms is 3, the number of hydrogen atoms is 9, the number of oxygen atoms is 3, the number of sodium atoms is 1. So the number of atoms are not balanced on both sides. To balance this equation, we need to make use of coefficients. A coefficient is a number that we place in front of a chemical formula. So in this equation, we need to balance the carbon atoms first. To do this by making it, there are 4 carbon atoms on both sides. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of CH3COONa, and we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of CO2. Now the atoms are changed. So the number of atoms in the left hand side. So the number of carbon atoms are 2 plus 2 that equals to 4. The number of hydrogen atoms 2 into 3 plus 2 that equals to 8. The number of oxygen atoms are 2 plus 2 plus 1 that equals to 5. The number of sodium atoms are 2. On the right hand side, the number of carbon atoms are 1 plus 1 plus 2 that equals to 4. The number of hydrogen atoms are 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 that equals to 9. The number of oxygen atoms are 2 into 2 plus 1 that equals to 5. The number of sodium atoms are 1. Now the carbon atoms are balanced. Now we can balance the sodium atoms. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of NaOH. So the number of atoms are changed at the right side. Now the right side, the number of carbon atoms are 1 plus 1 plus 2 that equals to 4. The number of hydrogen atoms are 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 that equals to 10. The number of oxygen atoms are 2 into 2 plus 2 that equals to 6. The number of sodium atoms are 2. Now the sodium atoms are balanced. Now we can balance the oxygen atoms. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O. Okay. Now the number of atoms changed at the left side. Now the number of carbon atoms are 2 plus 2 that equals to 4. The number of hydrogen atoms are 2 into 3 plus 2 into 2 that equals to 10. The number of oxygen atoms are 2 plus 2 plus 2 that equals to 6. The number of sodium atoms are 2. So see here, the left hand side the number of carbon atoms are 4, and the right hand side the number of carbon atoms are 4. The left hand side the number of hydrogen atoms are 10, the right hand side the number of hydrogen atoms are 10. The left hand side the number of oxygen atoms are 6, and the right hand side the number of oxygen atoms are 6. The left hand side the number of sodium atoms are 2, and the right hand side the number of sodium atoms are 2. So the number of atoms are balanced on both sides. Therefore, the equation is no balanced. The equation is no balanced. This is now balanced chemical equation. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you friends.